Hello friends, today we are going to see how to update the infotainment system Connect Next in Safari XZA 2021 model. Okay, so a lot of videos were posted, none of them were in English and like with proper explanation. So decided to take one video. uh, I have a 16 GB pen drive with me, but 4 GB is enough, but I had only 16 GB. I gave it to my friend who has a Windows laptop. If you're having a Mac laptop, I don't know how you will do it, but give it to someone, or if you have a Windows laptop, just connect the pen drive and format it as FAT32. Okay, and then please copy the downloaded files. I will provide the link in the description below for the downloaded files. Take that and put it inside the pen drive after you format. Now let's go and connect this pen drive in the slot here. Okay, as soon as you connect your pen drive, nothing happens here. First let's go and see what is in the settings, what software version. So we are in 16.09. okay, my ignition is off, just my system is on, and make sure your doors are locked and this and it is locked, only then it will work. Because if you open the door, accidentally the infotainment will switch off. So that is why we are keeping it in locked state. Okay, so first let us see what is the status. So press the first button, fourth button and sixth button, that is home, previous and this back button. Don't keep pressing, just press it like once real quick and leave it. And here you see all the different modes. Come down, click on system configuration and click on system version and part numbers and click on software version. You can see it is in 16.09 and then the different other software here. Okay, now we are going to update it to the new software. For that you have to press 2, 4 and 6. okay, this button and this button, press it real quick and leave it. Okay, it was saying software version 16.09, which is the one installed, and then it says update software. Let's click it. Now it is reading from my USB. I have dropped two files here, 18.46 and 18.50. The link for downloading this files is provided in the description of the video. So let's go and click 18.50 here. Okay, it is validating the file, whether it's a correct file and not corrupted, and if it matches this vehicle. By the way friends, those who don't know what you are doing, don't do this. Give it to the service center and they will update it for you. But for other enthusiasts and for people who want to do it, you can do it. You can see it is now validation successful. Reflashing will start now, so don't do anything, just sit back and relax. The system will automatically start the update process now. It has gone blank. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, it automatically came and you can see it is updating. Like it will update. See, you see the warning, do not turn on ignition. Okay, so don't do that, or don't open your door here. Okay, doing anything will interrupt this update and will corrupt your software. Then you will have to take it to the service center. So every now and then it will blink and flash like this. Don't worry about it. As you can see, it is slowly progressing one by one, right? So and then you can see the total progress at the bottom there. So wait for it to update. It will take 10-15 minutes for this process to get completed. I have given my vehicle for service in the service center in Chennai. Different service centers I tried lot of times. Every time I ask them to update, they say, sir, no new update is available for your car, and just give me back. But I know that they are lying and they are lazy to connect a pen drive and do it, because the volume of cars is lot and they don't want to do this for every single customer, and they are just being lazy. So I took the initiative myself and tried to do this. There were a lot of videos and links, but none of them were like very clear and very proper of what to do, and a lot of them did not even provide the file. But I am providing you directly the download link from the Tata website down below, and you can download the files yourself and do this. Take a small pen drive, put the files in, format the pen drive to FAT32 file system in Windows, and then copy the files and put it inside and start this process. The reason why I am updating is in my version 16 there is no wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, and sometimes carrying wires and all that makes it messy. So I wanted wireless CarPlay, so that is the reason why I am updating. So let us wait and see after the update whether we get wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. So I am shooting this video on an Android phone, but I have my iPhone 13 with me here. Okay, so once this update is over, we can also see whether okay, so it says software has been successfully updated, system will restart now. So it did not take such a long time, it finished quickly, that's good. So let it wait for it to restart. Okay, I'm actually anxious myself because I'm doing this for the first time myself, and something happens, I have to take it to the service center myself. So I'm just praying and keeping my fingers crossed that everything should be normal. Okay, now let us go to the settings and see whether everything is updated. Beautiful, 18.50. And you see, previously we did not have this Wi-Fi connection. If you scroll back in the video and see, we did not have this Wi-Fi connection. Now it has come, which is good. And now let us see wireless CarPlay. I am switching on Bluetooth in my phone, and I am going to see whether CarPlay. So I am in this section in my iPhone. USB only, turn on Wi-Fi. I am going to say turn on Wi-Fi. And previously I have connected to connect next, so I am going to forget this car, and then I am going to try to add again. So let us see in available cars what is coming. Should I do something here? Settings, Wi-Fi connection, show password. Okay, nothing here. How do I wirelessly connect my I'm still in waiting. Let me kill it. Let me restart here 1 second real quick and see if if I'm getting something. I'm going to turn on the ignition, my friends. And I'm going to switch this off. Okay, it is not switching off. Okay, how do I connect to Android CarPlay? CarPlay, I'm selecting. If your car supports wireless CarPlay, press and hold voice control button on your steering wheel. Voice control button. This looks like that. Oh, okay. Okay. Now it has come. Accept passkey 285750 on device. Okay, let's do that. Pair. I'm going to say allow. Okay. We supports Apple CarPlay. Do you want to enable? Yes. Beautiful friends, we have Android wireless CarPlay in our car right now, and it is connected. Beautiful, fantastic. It works successfully, and I'm going to try to call somebody. Okay, it is calling successfully, but I don't want to speak to him right now. But that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoy, and let's see what's new in this. Okay, the temperature has gone. We now only see the pressure. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, friends. Have a great day and enjoy.